Okay. There we are. Freaking finally. Okay. Forgot my key's not working for some reason. There we are. I don't want to hear that. Let's see. Come on, you stupid phone. Hurry the fuck up. Okay, there we go. Should be good. Should be good to go. Let's see here. Is it working? It is. Nice. Okay. This is in new enemy spawner. Yeah, we don't need that now. We don't even need that. So this is spawning, setting damage and walk speed variable from the max walk speed. And that spawn system should be getting fired off in here in the functions thing. It'd be down here. We're firing off this. And this is sending that through zombies max walk speed. So that's where we're setting it through, and we're setting it here, right? So setting if walker or runner. So this is deciding when it's setting it. Walk speed here. If I take this off, what happens? See how much I just broke by doing that. Okay, absolutely breaks it. Okay. So doing that breaks it. So if we're not setting it basically as a runner, then it does this. And then this. So we need to... I don't get it. We're setting it here. We're also setting this here. Should probably try to do the same thing here also. minus that. Let's see. Break that. Set this. You can break that. But that's setting walk speed. So we need to destroy this. Duplicate and duplicate. So we need to give it a random value for each of these. And this was doing a math based off of the round number times 2.5. So let's say if it was round 1 times 2.5 is 2.5 plus 30. It'd be 32.5. So we'll do one at 32.5. 32.5. How do we do multiplication on this? Times 7. That's a lot. Okay. Then 32.5 times 3. Ooh. What? 35.5 multiplied by 3. 106. And then we can just pass these on through. But this needs to happen if it's in range of 0 and 10 for walk speed, 0 and 10 for run speed, walk speed, max walk speed. And that's what this one is doing. This is max walk speed to walk speed. That's setting to 0. Let's get max walk speed and set that in there. Wait, no. Be walk speed. Well, yeah, because I just changed all those up, so that should be right. Then we'll do like this, maybe? I don't know. Don't know how this is going to work. Okay, so we got a slight runner. Oh, they're all runners, though. Or those are all mediocre runners, I guess you can say. Maybe the values are too high. So let's see, set here, because these are pretty high. 277 is pretty high, so we'll do 145 maybe. $106 and 30 something. Hold up. I'm gonna make a new variable. So we got the max speed. We got walk speed. We need run speed, I guess. Oh, we have run speed here actually. So this is on this. So I would like to set this run speed off of this. Maybe. Max walk run speed. Sure. It's been a while since I messed with this stuff, so I don't really know. Got ourselves a walker. because our running one isn't actually put in now that I think about it. Yeah, right there. So this is on spawn. It's getting the zombie speed. Multi-gate. So when this fires off, I want this to set this value off a random one. We're going to do run speed. And then we're going to do a walk speed. I hope. We're setting that based off of these values. So this should randomly choose how it spawns, maybe? Oh, fuck. I hope this works. Let's see here. Got a walker and a are we not setting those? Third person character, we got run speed and walk speed, or first person game mode. So event tick. Let's see here. We got all these different things here. It's a fucking mess. I'm not even going to worry about it. Get game mode. Cast. Wait. We might have it actually. Yeah, as BP third person game mode. We already have it. Delete. Okay, got those two values from that. I'm gonna do a print string, probably again too. And I want to do a, what's it called? Oh, I have it. What's it called? Do I have any more print strings in here? I do. That's it though. What the hell's it called? Pretty sure I moved most of my print strings. Yeah, append. There we go. So we're going to append what we want. So we're going to do totals numbers. Append. Okay, so first things first is going to be walk speed. Do a new pen. This one can go there, so that'd be the walk speed. And then we'll do the same thing for this. This into there. And then this into there. Change this to run speed. Have time. There we go. I'll set these to be on. Damn it. We'll do it on key 99. And then here. here. Key 100. Okay, so right now it's 0. So run speed is being set, walk speed is not. It says they're setting it. I have a feeling it has something to do with this. It's calling it twice, and I don't know if it's actually, oh, random. I don't know, maybe? I should have made a backup of this before messing with these kind of values. Okay. Oh. So the walkers run, or walkers work, I mean. But then some of them break. Everybody's gotta die sometimes. Okay. We're back to this bug, which we had before. Okay. So when they hit run speed, it seems like it's not working properly. This is going into the new enemy spawner. This is setting that. This is setting the walk and run variable, which is inside of round based new enemy actor blueprints. Which is this one here. So it does take a delay. It does take the possesses itself. Okay. What if we skip this one this time? It just seems like it's very broken when you set the variables like that. Bye-bye. We got some, and there's one not moving. Okay. Seems like it breaks when it switches. Or the fact that run speed is 0.83. Maybe that's just so damn slow that it doesn't even hold up. Oh, they're moving. It's just so slow it's not even registering. Why is run speed getting set like that? Run speed. So we got that here. We're just randomly setting it to this value. Let's check in here somewhere. So this is walk speed. This is run speed. Set if walker or runner. Setting them there. This is just math. Random floats. Walk speed, run speed. Okay. Is round number 3 or higher. What happens if I just do that? I should probably not delete it. I should probably just disconnect it. Well, okay, that would fail now that I think about it. So setting this to walk speed would be great, but we're changing walk speed, I think, to too low of a value. That's what it is. Somewhere we're changing walk speed to too low of a value. Between rounds. Where else are we setting that number at? maybe walk speed here, 0.0, run speed 370. So we can default it to 80, I guess, maybe. I don't know if that'll work. Yeah, right now we're defaulted to 80 and 370. But we're going to be setting, yeah, see, run speed's being defaulted back to 83, so it's being defaulted somewhere. Maybe in the actual enemy. Hitting damage. Running speed to running speed. We don't cry. You're my heart. Here's your moment. I don't know. Rotation, take damage. This is the spawner. Nothing else happens here other than me just sending the information through to the spawner. Max walk speed variable from max walk and run speed, which we're setting here. Wall by. Let's check in here, maybe. No. 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 There's a long line. So that's just my saving system that we're no longer using. Oh, sort of. Player health, so that's not there. It's being defaulted down to something. Like there's actual math being used to set something. Yeah, it's still happening. There's a math equation somewhere in this motherfucker causing it. Components. Yeah, I see zombie hit. BPC health maybe. Max health, current health, dead, health remove, health add. Max health, so it's not in that. It's in task. As components, FBX, icons and assets, sound effects, animations, and blueprints. Started to get it an attraction. So we see we get running speed here. We're just setting that value from the other one though. You want the attention. Running speed to running speed. Okay, so this wasn't even being used. This is literally not even connected to anything. So not in use right now. Yeah, we see that. Okay. So just in case. Hit damage. Oh, here. Current health. This is just health value variables though. So yeah, this is nothing. We're using this. Event begin play. So this is every time it begins, it's setting the variable from the max walk speed variable, which should be getting set every time it spawns. Which is why that delay is there. So it sets the variable before they spawn or after they spawn. Attack rotation, that one. Fuck, dude. So enemy spawner should be fine too. Hit damage, max walk speed variable should be fine. BP third person, run speed, game mode, yeah. So run speed and walk speed. Run speed still has a high value. How many functions do we got? We got, damn, okay. So set max health, set attack damage, set attack run speed. Right here. This is the fucking math. Guarantee we disconnect this and run it. Watch this be it. That math just wasn't right. That dude didn't know what the fuck he was talking about. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh. We got 3 runners. 4 runners. Oh, I'm outside the nav mesh. My bad, dudes. Wait, do they all turn to runners eventually? Hold up. So those guys are runners, and these guys are walkers. Dude, I figured it out. Sweet. So this is gonna be round 4. So for runner, there's 2. Here's the 3rd. Hey now, hey now. And look, some of them are even a little bit faster too, because I had that random value thing in there that chooses random values for speed. So even the ones that aren't very fast are faster. Sweet. Sweet. So that's technically it. Yes, we got a lot of errors just from widgets that aren't being active when I'm trying to set values. I just need to do a what's it called? Is valid node. I gotta do an is valid thing. So yeah, that technically works. Let me see what we got next. Nightmare. Oops. Taking a screenshot from my wife. She was like, what is this? What is this page? Because her friend asked her. I'm like, well, looks like it's something bad. Send her what it is. Fucking nightmare. Your nightmare comes to let's see here. Trying to look something up here. Let me see something. Okay. Now I'm kind of curious. What the hell? She's wondering. Well, I know kind of why, but still. Okay, so which one of these don't work now? Assault rifle, pistol, that one, and that one. So when you purchase, that's 1,200, 600. Okay. Okay, so I think, oh fuck, I forgot to test that. Let's use this. Okay. Okay, so 600 shotgun, and it takes the 600 away. Oh, out. And then there we go, sniper. So if I've already purchased it, now it says buy ammo. This one says, well, I got to change the word, but that one says buy ammo. Buy pistol for that much. Now it says buy ammo, and then ammo. Okay, so I need to change some of the values, which are for this one, I think. That's a shotgun one. That should be like that. That's all good. BP third person. Okay. Let it stop lagging for a second. I still need to clean this up too, so. This is us buying it, which is fine. Purchase AR. We need to go to functions. Interact pop-up for AR. Pop test. Purchase AR. Interact set text. Final line trace. Is it in that one? Purchase AR stuff. Interact popped up text. That's for the assault rifle. Get weapon of type. For buyables. Oh man, I can't believe I closed it all out. Now I can't fucking find it. See, so that's interact set text maybe? Yeah, there we go. And it was one of them that were wrong. So this is shotgun. Shotgun. Press E to do that. This is for sniper. Yep, sniper. Pistol. Okay, so if it's not these ones, then it will be on one of these, maybe? Interact by pistol. This one's on the shotgun. By shotgun. Save by sniper. Yep, see that one also says that. Sniper. Sometimes it pops up a ad. Okay, so we should have it for the most part complete. We're going to get ramshacked here for a second, possibly. Assault rifle, pistol, shotgun, sniper. Nice. Gun, please. Nice. Let me look up something now. Beat maker. We got these different things. We got splice. I'll watch this. Of course, you guys can't hear it probably, but. Let's see, I'm not gonna sit and watch the whole time. Sound fonts, free plugins. Free plugins, sound sheets. Okay. Let's see how this turns out. Maybe I have to watch some of it. Reaper is apparently a good one. Reaper. Audio productions without limits. Download Reaper. Windows 64-bit. Okay. Sure. Let's see here. Got the most storage on my 4 terabyte drive, of course. Probably where we'll put it. That's not what I meant to do. Come on now. Browse. Oh, okay. Hello. Oh, we gotta be in a folder. Okay. So browse. Make new folder. I forgot this is on the 4 terabyte drive and it's slow as shit. Well, come on now. What the fuck? Fucking drive sucks. This is ridiculous. Holy shit. In process, damn. Damn, that sucked. Try that again. I need this to be in a different drive, though. No. 2 terabyte drive, new folder. Reaper. I think I spelled that wrong, but I don't care. install. The close. Yes. Damn. What the fuck? That's fucking crazy. Before I do that, let me hear myself talk. Wave out. I'm fucking input device. Mic in. Output device. Voice chat, game, SFX. Probably game. Input channels, output channels, rates, 44 kilohertz, audio thread properties. Ooh. Okay. No, thank you. No, thank you. This looks interesting. No tracks are armed for recording. You can continue, but nothing will be recorded. This looks challenging. Oh, there's a metronome. That's cool. Auto crossfade. Insert new track. This is... Whoa, I can hear myself. I don't like that. Not muted. Now this is muted. Does that affect the recording? So if we're just doing some test on this thing, how does this thing sound? I want to hear it. Whoa. I know. Because my game is set on. Recording. So if we're just doing some test on this thing, how's... Yeah, I don't want to hear myself back through it, though. That's the issue. So if we're just doing some test on this thing, how does this thing sound? Damn. Sounds pretty fucking good, not gonna lie. Now I gotta figure out how to use audio effects. Let's do edit, view, insert, options, custom menu toolbar, resource path and explorers, continuous scrolling, actions, help, toggle mute track file, render, project template, save all. Well, free plugins, document spreadsheet, which we already opened, whatever. Developer pianos. Are these purchasable things? Or are these free? Direct download $5. Be torrent. Yeah, these are okay. Yeah, no, I am not using whatever this is. Huh. One second. How do I do this? Oh no. Wow, that's crazy. Hold up, sorry. That's not what I'm trying to do. Come on. Jesus. Ooh. Okay, so gotta figure out piano. These are all piano, electric pianos. Why is that red? Let's look on Fiverr. Music. Video game music, maybe? This is taking a long time. $25, 40, 25, 150. But see, I don't want to cheap out. Okay, this is what we're hearing. What if I don't want 60-second times? There we go. Yeah, we can change it. Okay, so what about 10 seconds? Really? Okay, hold up. I actually kind of like this. Hello, I am looking for some. Oops. I can't spell. Shows. Send message. Got it. So we got this dude. We can look at someone else. Kind of liked what he did there. That was pretty cool, actually. 30 bucks. Let's see what this one is. Damn, that's cool shit. I do like that. Oops. So this is the guy here. Okay, I need this. I do like this a lot too. Got it. Okay, we're just gonna try to see if we can get anybody with the cheap thing. We might not do it right now either. It's just maybe in general. Eventually, just like for a mindset for later. Now these are really popping out just yet. So we'll basically just have to wait for these guys. Refresh that one. There we go. We got these two pulled up. Okay, so yeah, basically just gotta wait for these guys. I've talked to a couple people about things on Fiverr a couple times. Bouquet. Don't mind that, but come on. I'm not on my main account, so I don't have premium. Yeah, see, free plugins. Just I don't know. There's piano, electric piano, church organ, organ. That one has the word hammered in it, so I kind of like it. Let's see. Accept, I guess. Fuck it. I don't know. Power drum. Is this free? Add to cart. It doesn't really say anything. Also doesn't. I don't like that. Synth gain? The hell is that? Actually, I've seen this before, actually. Hold up. Well, see, this is in the list of free, and this is $150. It says free product 0 is a value of 100, but I don't know if I trust that. It's gonna want me to put in credit card details and a bunch of other stupid shit before I can continue. Like it's not free. Electric guitar, shredded, 3-strap free. Oh, got a Fiverr inbox. Hi. Oh my gosh. Okay. We'll just continue and let him type out his next message. Type in 0. Add to cart. C. Okay, I was about to say you motherfucker. Bet you it's gonna ask me. I'm gonna pull this over here just in case. It's only asking for a location, so I guess we can do that one. And place order. Oh, I have to click. I have read terms and agreements. Let's see what this is. If it's gonna ask me, credit card information. Check your email. Downloading your progress. Click here to view the instructions step by step. Okay. So why can't you just throw the download there? Why does it have to be an email thing? I hate when you do this because it's always so sketchy. So that's the easiest way for people to scam you, is they send you quote unquote download links to your email, and your email's lined up with everything essentially. you click on something and it's just, I don't know. Where is it at? It says you've been sent an email with complete instructions for downloading and installing or accessing your purchase. If you do not receive them within the next few minutes, be sure to check your spam box or folders. Okay, gotcha. If I ever do this message back, yes, of course, would it be possible for you to send me a short gameplay clip where I can see the situation in motion? And do you have a specific musical style in mind? I can suggest something myself. If you like, the style I was thinking of would be kind of like the Call of Duty BO2 and BO1 zombies, but of course. But of course, different. So no copy. Oh shoot! Right. And for sure, if you want, I could either try to send a video file, or I could show, dang it, you, because I'm live right now on YouTube, actually, developing the game. And now, what one would you prefer? Let's see what he says based off what he would prefer. Let's see here. So I'm just waiting for that email to come through. So thanks for your business. We truly appreciate it. I hope you enjoy your new sound. To download the invoice order, please check your account page. I don't have an account page because I don't have an account. See, this is what I'm talking about. They want you to sign in. And all this other crap. That is so annoying. What the hell? I guess we're registering. See what this happens. See that? Whatever. Registered. Oh, we've already registered. Okay, so that me using that was my register. Okay, log in, maybe. I'm kind of curious what the hell he uses the password on all this. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm not worried about this whole fucking soundboard thing right now. I'll figure it out here in a little bit. The dude wants Call of Duty BO1, BO2, Zombies Round End Soundtrack? Oh my God. Start soundtrack. Let's see here. Oh my God, that brings back so many memories. That gave me cold chills. Here is the soundtracks from Call of Duty that they use when a new round starts. So something like this is what I'd like. Also, I have made videos on my main game, but this is a separate game mode of my game I've been working on. So right now I haven't released anything on YouTube about the round based, but I will do my best to get a clip. But all that happens is you kill the last zombie in that round. A few seconds go by, and the round number goes up. Nothing crazy happens. I just need some soundtrack to signify, to show the round has changed. Also, I really should probably quickly get a clip up then real quick. Hold up. So we're just recording this clip real quick for a Fiverr gig. Basically, this is our zombie thing. This is a round-based showcase real quick. So we start out here. And we got spawners over there. This isn't finished. This is a test world. But we got guns over here. We got our rifles, our pistols, our shotguns, our snipers. We purchased one. We haven't fixed everything on it yet. It's still very glitched, as you can see. Oh, I'm going to get hit. And look, we got some runners. They run really weird. We got some walkers. Dude seems like he's a little glitched. And then basically what we do, we get a gun, which I can't hear right now. You guys probably can, but I can't. Then when the round ends, it's going to give you a few seconds between rounds. It's going to go from round 3, boom, to round 4. And then it'll start spawning some again. I'm going to change how long it takes between rounds, but right now that's what it is. And yeah, so this is a little bit of a showcase. We still got a lot more to work on, but I just need some sort of a showcase for this. Okay, then that should have been saved in Devlog 05. Gotcha. I don't know if I can upload that right now. Let's see. 2 terabyte drive maybe. OBS recordings, Devlog 05. Should have been this one. Let's see. Are we able to upload while we're live? I'm about to watch everything just tank. I'm going to watch it real quick. Round-based showcase for lurking in fear. Jesus, that tanked really bad. Playlist. Game dev videos done. Click next. Next. Unlisted. And next. So we got about 4 minutes of downtime where we're not going to be doing much for stream. Yeah, I'm guessing you're streaming. I'm not sure if I understood what you meant correctly. If you want, we can continue the conversation when you finish. Have a little more time. Some ideas that come to mind are using a church organ or chorus together, the electric guitar, something like that. And yes, I am live streaming. I live stream the development of my game and show how I do it all. I was going to suggest that maybe you could jump in the stream and I could show you what I have so it could give you an idea of what I want. Dude, open the door. It's round 6. Don't kill the last song. Oh. That's awesome. Come on, almost there. Okay, 1 second. He says he does not mind getting a clip. Great. I'll go ahead and open up my other Google Chrome tabs. Just bring this over here. I need this to be finished. He says it's got like 30-something seconds, so. Come on now. Almost there. My brother texted me 40-something minutes ago and I didn't even know. Come on. It's almost there. Upload. There we go. Holy crap. Go ahead and throw this bad boy over here. Go to YouTube. Your channel. Live stream. Oh, I'm echoing. That's why, because I was going through there too. Okay. I don't think I'm echoing. OBS, are you good now, homie? We shouldn't be lagging anymore. Let's see here. Are we lagging? Okay, we're good. Yeah, I just had some issues there for a second where I forgot to change out my audio setting real quick. So everything was like, hey, what's up, bro? Welcome in. But yeah. We have this right here. This is the test world, so it's not like a fancy actual zombie map. I have those, but they're not set up yet. But basically, zombies will spawn there. Grab a gun. I can't hear because I have it turned down for myself, but that's fine. I think I have it turned down for you guys also. I'm not really sure. But yeah, we got basically zombies that spawn from different spawners if I set them all up. And we can run through them and hope we don't. Oh my gosh. Hope we don't get killed, which we almost did. That blood screen will be changing soon too. That's just temporary, just to see that it works. But let's say we just slowly but surely kill the zombies. There we go. And then give it a few seconds in between. And then it'll change to round 4. And that's where I want like music, some nice, kind of heavyish, kind of churchy, like he was talking about, like that type of style sounds amazing, and I would love that for my game. And no, you probably can't hear any sound right now. I have all sound turned off, mainly because I'm using a separate audio thing for testing with recording, because I was going to try to make my own sounds. So right now it's echoing back through because I have the output as my mic. And there we go. Round 4 is done. Give it a second. It changes round 5. I mean, it's nothing crazy right now, at least. That guy's an actual proper walker. Reload. Look at me. I'm at 4,000 points already, man. I'm doing good. Oh, gosh. Now, there is actual gun sound effects. There is hit sound effects and hit marker effects. I should have left him going because he was a walker. I could have moved away pretty far. Actually, what I'll do is just come outside of the walking bounds where the zombies can't actually catch me. If I do come out here, they'll go to standing still, which is perfect. It's exactly what we want. Game is lagging. Let's close out Reaper. No, don't save because I need it to stop lagging. Reaper shouldn't be open in the background, which means we should be able to turn on this and this. There we go. Now we should be able to hear, I believe. Oh, don't do that. Holy crap. Is it lagging through OBS yet? I think we should be good. We're lagging. It's Unreal Engine, which is lagging, not my computer. For some reason, whenever you get off of something and then you go back to it, it freaks it the hell out. Yeah, like there's zero reason for that at all. You see my mouse perfectly fine. It's moving just like it's supposed to. I don't know why it does that. But yeah, essentially we can walk up, use our stuff, buy a gun. Did you hear him? That clicking noise is what happens when you try to reload, but you're full on ammo. And then on here, my default sound that I have right now is just a big explosion sound when the round ends, so. But yeah, it's nothing crazy. I need something fancy and nice for between the rounds. And yes, I'm hitting headshots anywhere in the shoulder area and up is headshot, so it kills them pretty quickly. But if I shoot him in the feet, it takes a little bit longer. I hope he ran into that. It's his fault. Okay, so he is a walker. Gotta exit out of that now. Get the idea how everything moves, and with the reference you sent, I can't imagine the final result. I think I'll do what I say. Chorus plus church working electric guitar. Yeah, there we go. Should be good. I don't know. We'll see here. How much was that again? Yeah, it was that one. $30. Unlimited instruments, mixing and mastering, sync to existing content, and commercial use. Okay. That's awesome. I might have to do that. Like it, honestly. Like that sounds amazing. So yeah, I think we got everything with weapons working. I'm liking the running and the walking sections, like how it all runs. Maybe we start working on like buyable doors, repairable windows, crawlers, so on and so forth. Because probably what we need to do. So let me pull up the guy I was watching. Because this, okay, so before I continue, anyone seeing this? Yes, I'm watching a tutorial on how to do the zombies round based, but I'm not following it to a T. These weapon buyables and everything involving this and how everything's set up to be round based, I watched this video to get the understanding and kind of followed with some of it. And then I took what I learned and then I changed it all. So yes, I'm watching somebody to learn, but that's how I've learned so far. So don't get all about it. Let's see here. History. Recently added A to Z. Oh, history. Okay, so weapons from walls. That was that one. I didn't even watch all of it. Wall buys and fixes. I don't care about that one, maybe. I don't know. Okay, this guy's really quiet, by the way. This is annoying. Fixing some, making the game work better. Jesus Christ. This guy's kind of annoying whenever he does his tutorials because he has his desktop audio at like 1 million. And then his voice is like 2. That's my stream. This is all weapon slot stuff. I'm not doing those. I got my own weapon slot stuff. I think. Get back with you on this here very soon. Just want to make sure everything's good. Okay, so this dude's just too Jesus. Stupid ass ads. Gotta have everything on like a million on my sound because this dude's so fucking quiet, and then an ad comes in which is normal sound. I'm blowing my fucking eardrums out. He's doing like level design stuff, so we'll see how this goes. So he's just making a simple buyable area. Okay, so I kind of like how he's doing his little layout, not gonna lie. Whoa, we're lagging here. Yeah, so this was just a duplicate of one of my already existing test worlds. We can go ahead and remove most of this here. I'm going to create like a simple little zombie round-based test world to actually play my game in. Even though I already have it. I have a couple actual levels. I don't need you in here. I shouldn't affect me to delete you. There we go. Do something like this. Duplicate. Something like so. Duplicate rotation. There we go. Get rid of this. Not what I was trying to remove. I'm trying to remove this. And then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and put like a wall between. Duplicate. Something like that. We'll go ahead and duplicate this. duplicate, rotate to 90, something like so, like so. First things first, we need to get rid of these, or not get rid of, but move those. Where's the, oh, I was gonna say, where's the other one? Move these, move out here. Something like so. Like so. I'm trying to think here. See, we'll walk in there, duplicate. We're gonna rotate. Something like so. Duplicate. Something like so. There we go. We could also just go ahead and remove this and this, maybe? Yeah. Miniature room, bigger room, bigger room. Grab all these walls. A lot larger. Sure, good enough. And then we're also going to reset up all of the biobles. I guess we'll do, this one's a pistol. I should probably actually rename these. Pistol wall by, shotgun, sniper. Opponents, FBX. This browsed asset, which is in interactables. Okay. AR wall buy, test interactable. Why does it name that? AR wall buy. Edit AR wall buy. Why does it have that name? I'm just gonna remove that. And we'll put the pistol wall by. You go like right here on this wall. Should be plenty high enough. Might actually be a little too short. I don't know. We'll definitely put the AR wall by like put the wall by for the AR back here. Pull it out just a wee little bit. That's the AR wall by also. AR spawn location, shotgun, sniper. So we have all four. 1, 2. That's shot, sniper, shotgun, pistol. We'll do AR. I don't know where the hell the other one went to, but sure. Okay, there we go. So that's what we are, little layout here. We'll have to do some stuff with the spawners eventually too. Also, just to make it where we have to be forced to play our game the way the game is meant to be played. Pistol, assault rifle, random ass cube. Actually, it's not random, it's our original test item. Set it up here, right click, show in Explorer. I'm gonna go back to round base, content, copy, saved, save games, delete. Okay, we got another Fiverr response, by the way. Okay, hey, I can custom offer. Which kind of music would you like? Where did I get that at? Hold up 1 second. That's the wrong one. God damn, I hate ads, dude. It's so fucking annoying. Make sure. Okay, yeah, I already explained it. Okay. Okay, so that whole video is literally level design. Okay, opening new rooms on Real Engine. There we go. I need a bigger screen. Okay, so this might get a little complicated, but data tables, components, that's for that. Round based, interactables, sound effects, components, FBX. Enemy actor. Round based. Spawner death. There we go. Probably here. Yeah, interactables. No. Data tables. Enumeration is an enum somewhere. Components. Blueprints, FBX. Icons and assets. Oh man, okay. Project. This is a project. We're gonna go here and then interact. Selection. Yeah, here it is. Where the fuck was that even at? So buy underscore weapons. I know we're gonna add another one. Maybe this. I'm gonna do by door, but sure. Okay, before we continue with what the hell he's doing, I gotta close out a bunch of stuff. I got so much stuff open that I don't see being as of any need to me right now. BPI interact. Why is that always not showing up for me? I can't ever see everything. Interact. That's BPI. That's my main one. Okay. Round base BPI. There it is. Get details. New function. Can interact. Oh man, this dude's going crazy. He's doing one with need power. What the fuck is this? I feel like I could do this though without him, without his video. Kind of want to try to do all of this without that. Okay, here, give me some music popped up. I can't type with the shit. I need music. Sure. Okay, so that's these different things. Need power. I kind of want to do this on my own. Surround base, new, data tables, enemy actors, effects, interactables, doors, new blueprint class, actor, door, interactable, 1. This is class settings, possibly. The interface could be inherited interface. We're going to do that one. Event graph, details, buyable door. Okay, so let me see here. Type buyable door, type interact. So from here, this is where we're doing our normal interaction. Let me finish cleaning this up. So this is interact pop-up for test buyable, interaction test pop-up for AR. Right click, collapse to function, enter act pop-up for viable pistol, I think. Sniper, then shotgun. Okay, yep, that's right. This is sniper. Interact pop-up for sniper. And then shotgun. Interact pop-up for shotgun. So I think this is less of, I don't know, hold up. Let's organize this crap. Okay. There's that. Looks so much nicer once you collapse everything into functions. Let's see. YouTube Studio. Here. The shareable link. Copied. Well, this is the link to the short clip I made of what I'm working on. Okay. Now that that's cleaned up a little bit. For now. Zip inside. The devil and I. Be kind of cool if I can collapse this all down to a macro, but I don't know how macros work, so I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to put all this up here, just separate. And this is the buyable door. So when we interact, it should say, let's say, print string buyable door. It should switch on that, I think. 999, we'll just do that, sure. So if we do that, it should print that string. Just as a test. Cube. There we go. My database is much larger. Much larger, much larger. And there we go. So just as a test here. Just doing that for a second, just so these guys can't get me. So if I try this, let's see. I said it. Nice, buyable door. So it's registering that that is a door. So there's that. We'll do this. So this is buyable door price. We'll do like 900 or like 500 for the first one. Let's just see. Text, press E to buy door for 500. I don't want to change the names on this because they ain't gonna do nothing. That's for that. Now let's look at the third person character. Interaction pop-ups for AR wall buys. Text interaction. Okay, so I don't think that's going to work just yet. Wait, it's noticing it before I even press the button. That's so cool. Okay, so we need to do another one of these. So interaction pop-up for shotgun. We'll duplicate this for door 1, maybe? Just need to get rid of all of this. We're going to set text. That's for the interaction text. And then we need to... Oops. Press E to how did I what's the word? How did I do this? Why is it doing that? Why is there 2 event graphs? Jesus. What the hell is this? Hold up. Around base interact. So this is if we're interacting with something and it's this. Ask if they're these certain things. If they are, then it does all that which purchases or does its thing. These are the interacts. I need to close so much of this stuff. Wall by, final line trace. Get the door pop up. Already has AR. Final line trace. So this is hit enemy. Okay, so that's for firing. Gotcha. Interact set text. Yeah. There we go. Basically, I need to do all of this. Duplicate that. But now I need to right click, expand node. I need to do this, this, and this. Door by. And then there we go. Set, press E to, then text. Okay, so we'll do this. So round text, we're not going to do that. Variables. Snapper wall by. We'll do door underscore 1 by price pop up. We'll just set that. Compile. Okay, so to buy, wait, press E to buy door for, let's say, $500. Oh, wait, press E to buy door for 500. There we go. Now, if we look at it, should it work? That's so cool. And it has hit, so it's actually doing the interaction. So event graph, interact, interact. Now there's that. This right here is round base interact. This is actually where we do all the stuff. We should probably also do this right here. We're gonna have a lot of functions. Ammo. Collapse to function. Buying AR ammo interact. This the actual interaction of when it actually happens. Right click, collapse the function. Buying AR. Interaction. Okay, we're gonna set this down here. This is shotgun. Come on. Buying ammo. Buying shotgun ammo. Interaction. Okay. Right click this. Buying shotgun. Interaction. There's so many damn functions in this game already. Okay. Just like so. Okay, this is for sniper. Right click, collapse the function. My sniper ammo interaction. Right click, collapse the function. Buying sniper interaction. This is literally what happens when you buy it, and I forgot that stuff. Fuck it. Fuck it, fuck it, fuck it. Close enough. I forgot that piece. I didn't even notice it was sticking out. Damn it. Okay, there we go. All right, looks good to me. Okay, so this is gonna be the interaction. Of course, it's round base interact. When you actually press the button, press E, this is what happens. So hashtag or implement, we're going to implement interface. So that's where this false can go. And interface. Hold up. Does class implement interface. Implement. Does object implement interface? Object. Wait, what? Interact and door class settings. Implemented interface. Actor implement. Actor hashtag destroy actor. I think maybe we have to do get all actors, get all child actors maybe. Get all child actors. Compile first. Then we want to do a get copy node. Let's compile it real quick too. I don't know why you have to, but it works. And then implement, does object implement simple move to actor? What? Does actor implement? So that's an actor. How to check if a actor you're interacting with implements a interface. Hold up. In UV5. That's gonna kind of suck if we can't use the interface. Does implement interface. Best regards. I've tried that. Does class maybe? Test class and interface. Door. Interactable 1. Interface could be underscore R. Okay. A branch. So we're seeing if whatever I'm interacting with does yeah, whatever. Destroy actor. And that could be put in there if we'll just do this as a test, but I'm clearly no good with this stuff. Not at this level. Oh. But then if I interact with the pistol, it won't destroy it, right? Awesome. So then what we'll do here, we have round-based interaction. Okay, we got that. So, which is round-based interact hit actor. Round-based, there we go. So it should only complete this task if destroy actor. Wait, what? Well, that's annoying. It's because it's not technically set, so. Root component. Promote to variable again. Hit actor test. We'll try that. And maybe this will work. So weird. Okay, so now will that work? Okay. Huh. Okay, so that means we also need to get this, and then we need to get the points. So if it's this class, which is interactable door 1, I want to make sure it is at least greater or equal to the set price. So right now we're saying 500. Okay, so it does interact with that. Do another branch. We'll do this if it's true. If it's not, then we're not going to do anything because, well, you can't buy it. Go to duplicate this. And I would like to, instead of doing that, set points. We need to actually get the points. That's not what I need. Get points. Need to minus however much it was. So 500. And then set those points to that. Okay, so first test. Here we go. We got $0. Nice. Now, let's say we run up here. Grab a gun first. Now we have only 250. Can't do it. Nice. That is awesome. Okay, so that's my viable door. This dude has a 30-minute video on how to do this. And I just did it in less time for now. I'm going to have to implement more, of course. But for now, that's going to have to do. Of course, there's no mesh or nothing like that on it, but that's fine. Right now, it's just that. Okay, Alt-P. There we go. We're in our first little round base. Oh man, we could either choose to buy the next door. If you think about it, if we have more than one spawner, we could have a spawner in here, spawner in there. So when you activate this door, it will activate the other spawner, which means you'll have twice as much zombies spawning, and you ain't got a gun. So you would need to buy a gun first, kill the zombies. Also, that says buy pistol for 600, but it doesn't cost 600. Anyways, that's so cool. That's so awesome. Also, some of these biobles are a little broken. That one here is broken. It's too far in. Also, these things are way too high up there. I'm not that tall. Okay, we'll do something like so. Just for the funsies of it, because it'd be fun to do. Bring this back in here. Alt P. There we go. And we're going to get his runner probably, so we got to hurry up. Oh, yep. This is so cool. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna buy this door before I go to the next round. This is so cool. See, this one's glitching out. That ain't cool. Oh, it's right here for 500. Okay, why is that glitching? Round over. Let's double check all these spawners in here. Shotgun, sniper. Oh. Ooh. Love this dude. We got no runners right now. We're good. Sniper. Oh! What the fuck? That's not supposed to happen. Why did that just destroy the ground? F11. Hello? We're also going to have to do a double check then. Tag. Yeah, let's add a tag. Viable door 1. So this is this. So we're gonna do this. Has tag. Wait, actor has tag. Tag. Bible door 1. Test hit actor and Boolean. Jesus. Come on. Okay. Okay, there's no glitch. Nothing. We're good. We're hitting the ground. Nothing's happening. Okay, we're good. Oh, shit. Damn, y'all fast. Oh. Okay. Something happened, though. There is a check issue. Okay, there was a check issue with the money, and now I'm negative. Huh. Okay. Let's try to rapid hit for the door then maybe. Let's see. Because I'm rapid hitting it and nothing's happening. Oh. So I just bought that without needing the money. Sniper interaction. This is why. So it's minus 1200. But it doesn't seem like it's able to use the check. For some reason. Is equal to... greater than or equal to 1200. Is there not an exact? Should be able to do exact. Equal. Greater than or equal to. Okay. My only thought is maybe it's because it's not all in one. So it's just hitting this and then jumping here. It's skipping past this. Control C, Control V. Event graph. Delete. We have $0 now. Ooh. Ah. Woo. Okay, so I'm just going to spam the purchase button like I did before. We'll just see how this works. Yeah, it's doing it again. What is going on with that Bible? What the fuck? Buy a sniper and then interact. I mean, that's normal. Some of this interaction is broken. So it already has shotgun, already has sniper. So if we're interacting with sniper purchase, true. Do we already have the sniper? True or false? Still, it's asking if we're 600. If we are greater than or equal to $600, then adding ammo to it. So that's ammo, which is fine. This is buying the sniper itself. Oh, I never hooked it back up or not. Okay. Should probably hook all this back up before testing. Oh, it could just be a glitch. We got so many runners. What the hell? That's crazy. There we go. Holy shit. Okay, it's fixed. What about this one? I think I have the money for this one, so. Okay, I think my numbers are mixed up, but yeah. Okay, sweet. Of course, this AR is broken for some reason. How much is actually costing me versus how much it says is wrong. I'll fix that. Okay, so now we gotta also, before we continue with the door thing, I'm fine with it. I like it, but I need to fucking change this. Interactables, add to favorites. Zombie. Oh wait. New. Enemy actor. Blueprint. And this. Ventic is dead. Whatever. Destroy actor? Yeah. Destroy if dead equals true. Remove execution pin. Okay, so yeah, if dead equals true, then destroy it. Hopefully this works. Come on, give me my gun, thank you. Why does that not work? What the fuck's going on? Okay. Change speed. We should be getting, well, let's just get health. This is becoming too fucking much. But it's checking on is dead. So let's get the health. Or is equal to less or equal to 0. Branch. Dead. Set. True. So then is dead true? Then destroy actor. I don't know. Remove. Destroy. Oh, god damn it. Destroy component, maybe? We'll try that too. Nothing? Seriously? Huh. Okay, that one's interesting. It's like it's not noticing that it's dead. BPC health. Get health. Get current health. Ask if that is That or is dead in here? Get dead maybe? We'll do or Boolean. We'll do that and that. Compile. Also, music shut off. What the hell? It's automatically set to true. That's not good. Guess we're getting this, and current health is that. Dismiss 100. So if we get rid of that, maybe it's confusing it. BPC health, we're seeing if it's dead. Defaulted to no, so compile real quick. Go here, new round based, new. Components, BPC health, current health is 100, then dead is defaulted to no, so take damage, set local amount, headshot, BPC health, health remove, and health remove. So we're doing all of it in here, and health remove. For the current health, minusing the amount being sent through, and then is dead. So it is in BPC health. Delay 0.5 seconds. Maybe he needs to set it first or something. I don't know. And then is the current health from BPC health equals 0? If so, then set it to true. They're dead. And then this is asking, is dead true or false? True. Okay. It's not quite working now. Okay, it looks like it's because it's using something else. That one's asking for BPC health, and that one. This one's using that one. So we need to put that in there, maybe. Oh, what the hell? Oh my God. We're getting the current health and setting it dead or not. But it's automatically defaulting to 0? So then current health maybe? This is what we were doing the first time. It's just not working. Yeah, what the fuck? Oh my god. Is doing this on event takes doing delay is asking if current health equals 0, but it doesn't equal 0. Less than or equal to 0. If that is true, then dead. Or that makes 0 sense. We're getting the current health from here, which I thought we were supposed to get it from here. Variable speeds, running, max walk speed. See, no, what it is it's supposed to be pulling from this one. Current health from BPC health. It's supposed to be here. This makes no fucking sense. BPC, oh wait, dead. Get is dead. This should only happen if they're dead. But they shouldn't be dead right off the rip. Wait, you're not dying right away. That's great. Damn. Like it's not sitting it when they die. What the hell, man? So current health, this is dead. Set is dead. Health remove, current health minus however much we're sending through. And it's setting this. And we're asking if the current health is less than or equal to branch. If that is true, we want to set that they are dead. We want to send that through. Hopefully that works, because we're pulling off of that information. Okay. Nice. See, watching the guy that I've been watching, he's so confusing. So, like, it was kind of hard to understand what the hell he was saying on some of this stuff, and I probably messed it up. Plus, like I said, I've added my own code, so I've probably messed up somewhere too. Delay for 1.5 seconds, maybe. I kind of want to watch them drop and then disappear. He's dead for a second. He's gone. Oh, shit. Should probably start hitting more headshots, honestly. It's kind of hard to hit the runners, though. I think 1.5 seconds is actually too short for me personally. 3.5 seconds maybe? Why is this not typing? 3.5. Okay. Either way, we got a viable door. And then what I'm assuming is we're going to have to adjust the spawners later when we buy a door. And we're going to have zones that mean different things. If we're in zone 1, but zone 2 is not unlocked, we only spawn from this one. If zone 2 is unlocked, then we're going to spawn from both. I would have skipped most of what he's doing here, because I already did this one here. I don't know. I don't know if I like the way he's doing it. He's going to do an actual rotating door. I'm definitely not. Okay, that's another thing too I probably should do. I will do, even though I don't want to follow what he's doing. I guess I will on some things. That's the door, BPI interact. We'll leave all those ones open. So buyable door essentially. So on interact, can interact, and yeah, this one right here. So I will make two variables called can interact and needs power. So we'll see what he's doing with these. So I guess we're gonna go ahead and make these ones instance editable, so we can adjust it basically how we want it. Oh, I'm so dumb. Okay, so that's on this. Of course, we already have everything set. We can also just promote this to a variable if we want to. We probably will, just to make it, we can change it whenever. Promote to variable. Text. Compile real quick. Same as it was, it's just an actual variable now. By door. We're not really using this price variable. We probably should. On interact. Oops. Hold up. Okay, so he says event on interact. Okay. Let's see what he does here. He's doing some weird shit. Why are you doing it that way, dude? Holy shit. One weird motherfucker sometimes. What? Hold up. This dude's doing some cool shit that I've not seen anyone do in a while. So he's going down to BP third person blueprints here. Can we make this a favorite or no? We can't. Oh, okay. But I've never seen anybody do this. It's a new variable called spawn rooms opened. It's a boolean, but he's making it an array. Okay. to cast to BP, third person game mode. Then we went to what? Change the fucking array. Get array elements. What? Get. I didn't get that. Get array elements. Why am I not getting that? Set array elements. Set array elements. See, he's saying set array elements, but he said get array elements, but he's actually doing the other one. God, this dude's annoying. This dude is doing some weird shit. So I see what he's doing, but what? Okay, maybe we don't want to destroy it. Maybe we just want to move it. So what he's doing is he has like these numbers or something on either side of the, door to signify which side is which. So if you're closer to side 1, you're on side 1, but if you're closer to side 2, it checks your location and it signifies that you're at side 2. And then if you are on side 2 or whatever, it does this. Okay, let's pop up for door 1 event graph. Okay, so we're just gonna take this out, compile, and then we're going to leave ourselves some room. Dude fucked me up all with this because I could probably change it, but I don't know how. That's my problem. I'll just do like a text renderer. Do number 1. Rotation would be 90. And like here, text, let's say side 1. Now let's see here. Let's say we're in the main map. That is the side of 1. Okay, yeah, nice. And then we'll do another one. Duplicate it. Call it 2. Change it to 2. And then move it. And then we'll do -90. Okay. Then on event graph, you did getting 1, getting 2, get player character, get world location of the capsule component, like so. Get world location of both of those is get closest point to collision cube, get closest linear location. Hold up. Distance vector. Okay, that's what it is. So we're going to do a distance vector from that and this, and then distance vector from that to this. And we're going to see if this is less than this. If it, oh goddamn, if it is, then we do this. This is on interact. Event on interact. Say two runer. What the fuck? We got these images, but how the hell did he set these to be room numbers? Wait, hold on. I gotta double check what he did here for a second. Literally skipped this dude's video. Okay, so integer. Okay, so he's doing these. In game, we're gonna hide that. And same thing for here. Such a challenging thing. Okay, so we've already done most of this. Guess we've done this then. We're going to copy everything from there. So we're going to move this back. We can probably actually break this down to a... Can I do macros? I can. Check player's location. 2 sides of door. I've never really used macros, so it's always been functions. Okay. Hate that it does that, bro. What the fuck? Track, add float track. So add key to float track 0. Oh man, it didn't fucking type. Add key value to 1 and 1. Sure, there we go. doing some stuff I've never done before. There's a lot that I've done in Unreal Engine also. So there's that. I don't know. He's doing it differently on everything. Simple, just things you could use booleans for or branches for. He does like 1,000 different steps and makes a 30-minute video for something that should take 5 minutes. I guess we'll do this. Opening time be a float. And then we're just gonna get this, he said. Help if I wasn't fucking lagging. Vector. Set. So, Z value. Go ahead and I guess turn all these on to instance editable for now, but we don't need to. Let's not do that. Just yeah, we need to change this to a float, compile, throw this out there. Damn it. You look vectors. Flow tracing with precision. Do this and this. I don't know what is up with this dude wanting a mile of space between all his shit. Sure. Recombine struct pins, promote to variable, relative location. I'm going to set relative location to where it's at. Okay, so pause for a second. So now if we click on the door, we got a bunch of new values. So can interact, da 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 da. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. What? Yes, I'm working on the Bible doors. Sorry. Yes, I'm working on the Bible doors. I should be done here in a second. I got 6 minutes left of this video and I should be done. Okay, love you. Love you. I don't see what mine does now at this point. Mine works for the most part. We just needed to actually play its interaction. The open door event on interact. And I guess here we should be able to cast to door 1. Hit actor maybe. Promote to valuable. This is just with one door, so it shouldn't be too hard to do once I get the rest of it, maybe? Okay, if that is true, then we want to minus the amount of points, or say true, use the points, and then as that, we want to do interact. Target is BPI interact, though that's the wrong one. RBPI. Okay, yeah. Interact BP on interact, and target is RBPI interact. Messages does nothing if the target does not implement the required interface. This may not work either. Dude. That was cool, but it's backwards. That was the Z value. I want to rotate it, right? Opening value. So yeah, because that went from here. Rotating value should be the third one, so that should be right. Yeah, that looks right. Opening Z value, but we don't have a value. Opening Z value 0. Every one of these squares is 100 units. Right now we're at 1, 2, 3, 4. So 410, we'll do 400 maybe? See if that will change it. Oh, not quite. Okay then. Well, that almost worked. 400. What about 440? Almost perfect. So like 60 would be perfect. Add like a nice little 20 to that. Also, just so I don't have to fuck with these guys right now while I'm trying to do this. Perfecto. Oh, that's so perfect. Yes. Nice. Okay. There we go. Technical viable doors open. Now, as much as I would love to continue, I think my wife wants me to come to bed. So I think what we'll work on next is after we buy the door, this will be later, I'll make it to where it activates other spawners. This dude takes forever.